Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Yeah, know the thing. Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase there bringing the latest in our Guan. And me remind you to click the subscribe icon, then click the bell icon, and to leave a like and a comment on the vlog. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has co-signed two of the most known female dancehall names right now, viewers and subscribers, Spice and Shenseea. Yeah, from Ramping Shop, viewers and subscribers. From Ramping Shop drop is a different level for Spice. Remember, that song where really gained some international traction from Yard. Even Neo was aware of the remix and moved to ban the song because of what? Copyright reasons, them that say. They must say, the rhythm was obviously Neo's rhythm. So where that take place? Teacher put it on a different rhythm and it was still gold. People did still love it. And as I said, that song they had international traction. And the fact say your Spice could have flying and out. It was definitely a big turning point for your career. Vybz Kartel never necessarily bust Spice. Spice did the music long before she and Teacher started do. Features were big like this. And from that time till now, the features them just get bigger and bigger. Yeah, after them go the Ramping Shop, it got conjugal visit, it got Backway recently. Yo, them have some of the biggest features right now in that dancehall music. There's no going around that, viewers and subscribers. As I say, that definitely add to the queen status of Spice. You know what I mean? Some of them big features that she depend with Vybz Kartel and the way she handle herself on the rhythm. You know what I mean? She definitely have that charisma there, pan the beat. When it comes to have a Spice track, yo, the ladies them know say your excitement I got there. She got talk some things with them more here. And when it comes to the performance for the song, them know say yo, she and her dancers them are going to on stage and them are going to bring a performance where it's gonna be a performance to remember. Patrons are always happy and excited to join her on stage as well. And sure, say yo, them are listening to the song them and them can dance to the music as well. Shenseea, that track there, Loody, while it was a Vybz Kartel track originally, and I them reach out to, I think Elvis, which was the producer for the track at the time, you know what I mean, and them got some man drop the Shenseea upon the track. After the track drop, it forward out, so you know what I mean, I think Elvis go forward and do it, you know what I mean, not necessarily with the permission of Vybz Kartel. That was the talk in the streets. You know what I mean? Everything did clear up and smooth out. Because I don't know, all transactions, it have to go through one thing for that really happen. And that happened and thing, but teacher did just make people aware say, that track there was actually a track when me they put out. Because only if I talk it all and make to us say, recent song and song from Ray. Only if I look at chat. So them never make people know say, that track there was actually a pre-recorded track and Shensea's verse and everything was added to it. You know what I mean? But it was definitely a track where put Shenseea out there. Make nobody tell you nothing. Definitely one of the tracks where put her out there to the wider world. You know what I mean? You just a throw 66 like Loody. That is what you're doing with the Loody. And when you're a pretty girl, yo, teacher, not telling you like youth, you think the normal. Shenseea definitely hold her own on the track as an artist. You know what I mean? She definitely bring that element there to it. And when we see the music video, people did like the look. You know what I mean? She definitely had the look. And she had a sound unique to herself. She never sound like an ex-artist. You know what I mean? And that is always good when an artist have their own individual sound so people can recognize and identify them. You know what I mean? But why me that said that track, they definitely track for push her out there too. 18 when she there from BT Live Experience. And the BT Experience Live in LA. That was the track which she performed. There had to be a reason why that are the track which she chose for perform. She'd have other tracks for the millions too. Sabrosa did the millions. Love I Got For You did the millions. You know what I mean? She'd have other tracks for the millions. She'd even have the feature at that time with Christina Aguilera. She couldn't sing that song though because of Christina Aguilera song. But you know what I mean? Monga tried to say. So the reason why she sing the Loady track is because that's the track where people didn't really know her for at that point in time. That song there was definitely a song where make people say, yo, who that girl? Hey, the new girl, Shenseea. Yo, our song bad, you know. And people start really follow her and really get into the movement and start say, oh, she's an artist. This is the type of song she put out. This is our sound. This is our brand. And start to identify with our viewers and subscribers. What I like though, with these two artists show me says that with certain artists, you can give them a feature or you can try to give them the boss. But it's a kind of float or swim thing. Some artists can neither float nor swim, so them sink. Well, it's a more sink or float thing then. Some artists give them the feature and the boss, but they don't really have the drive or the creativity or the push or the marketing power around them to really keep going. Spice and Shenseea has definitely proven to be artists that can keep going. Whether or not it's a feature or a single, the song them still a medal. And them again new fans on a daily basis. Whether it be on social media, on the Vivo, or even people who are turn up to them performances. Spice, even when she not feature with a Vybz Kartel, or she feature with a next hip hop star or next star, by herself she hold her own. Her song them a medal. Her song them definitely a medal, and she perform her song them to the point where the performance make the song even that much bigger. So she definitely hold her own even as an individual artist. We see she separate herself from her label and do her thing more. And I mean independent, and it's still a work. Which is drop a mixtape but touch the billboard. And a simple achievement that viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? She definitely hold her own. See her on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. The style of music, the performance, the facts, the streets crown her the queen. Because Marian Ali's off of dancehall music and she'll deal with different things. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, lady star. You know what I mean? So Spice definitely represent as the queen. And she hold her own, I might add. Definitely I put in the work and I track them a medal. Every time I see her on the interviews, you know what I mean? Every time I see her on Love and Hip Hop at Atlanta. Every time I see her on a stage, I say, yeah, she definitely do it. I put in the work and I can see the support that she receive. Same for Shenseea. She definitely make the right moves and align herself with the right set of people. Recently we see her at the Interschool party. Yeah, the contract there. Big thing. A big moves. Big contract like that so early in your career, you know. I one of the signs of stardom for many, many artists. Some people, as I'm going to tell you, say is either a sink or a swim thing. But she has definitely proven to be an artist where I could definitely swim. So with the extra pusher and the extra marketing power, I definitely feel like she's an artist where I got medal. She definitely got medal, viewers and subscribers. And as I want to say, I want to point out at the start of the vlog, what do these two artists share in common? If you don't forget, two of them get co-signed by Vybz Kartel at one point in time. And that co-sign there was definitely a turning point for them career, viewers and subscribers. Definitely a turning point. I will see it evidently. This is not speculation. We see it evidently. When the song them drop, we see the reaction, we see the comments, and then we see all of the attention where these artists start get. Even new artists know that. Any artist would love a feature from Vybz Kartel. We see what go on with the six them. Them are going extremely well, and then when the thing turn G6, right, you know, those 60 streets I say, yeah, those 60 streets, because all Gaza fans I say, alright. Teacher co-sign the 6 in a G6 and the 60 streets as viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel definitely a powerful influencer in a dancehall music right now. Yeah, definitely a powerful influencer. And these two female artists definitely share that in common. You know what I mean? Being co-signed by Vybz Kartel. Now viewers and subscribers, if you agree with the reason, drop a comment in the comment section, leave a like on the vlog. Let me hear what you have to say about it. If you agree with the statements them. You know what I mean? Yeah, if you have something that I want to add, drop it in the comment section. You know what I mean? Yeah, I can continue the reasoning there. So as I say, leave a like on the vlog. Never forget to leave a like on the vlog. Click the subscribe icon and then click the bell icon. The bell icon part is very important. So you stay notified with all our go on in a dancehall news and entertainment news. Yeah. So click the bell icon. Until the reason again, live, love and prosper, viewers, and I'm out.